Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix frozen apps on smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If apps on your smart TV are frozen or unresponsive, what you need to do is first restart the app. Head over to your smart TV and then close the app completely and reopen it. On some smart TVs, you can press the home button or back button to exit the app and then relaunch it. Second is turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Plug it back in and power it on. This often clears temporary glitches. And number third is to check your internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network. Test the internet speed using a built-in speed test app or separate device. Restart your router or modem if necessary. Next is clear app cache or data. Some smart TV allows you to clear the cache or data of specific apps. What you need to do is head over to settings, then apps, then select the app that you want to clear the cache, and then all you gotta do is select clear data. You can also check for updates for the app as well, and then updates for the TV firmware as well. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.